I got a great one here today. It's amazing. This is available nationwide. We're talking about $50,000 without it hitting your personal credit. You can get pre-approved instantly with a soft pull, and they do consider those low FICO scores. So we got a hot one here. Also, remember those business loans that we do down below in the description, you can have a credit score of 350. We don't care. In fact, we don't even put a hard pull on your credit. And our real estate lending that we do down below as well, we don't put a hard pull on your credit. So make sure you check those out. What if I told you that you could get your hands on $50,000 and it's easier than ever? You'd ask, how easy? Well, we're going to go through that pre-approval process here. I'm going to show you in seconds you could be pre-approved and actually getting this money. You know, I like to talk about grants, that free money you don't have to pay back, loans, business and real estate, credit cards on this channel, you name it. You know that already if you've been watching the channel. But remember, this is not financial advice. This is specifically for educational purposes to help lift you up. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're back, welcome back. My name is Andrew Cartwright. I'm here to help you get money, leverage it, and then invest it for lifelong wealth and success. I can relate to where you are because I have been there. I've been broke and homeless to multimillionaire 4 different times, paid $43 million for my education that is free right here on YouTube and over at the Origin of Opportunity, our community. Now, I founded 32 companies in 17 different industries. I've actually bought 17 companies and have 5 exits. I'm in a great place right now, and right now I'm buying companies with you in Epic 99. If you have a 680 credit score and you can run a business, I want to meet you because I want to partner with you. We're buying 99 successful baby boomer businesses together. You'll own 81% and I'll own 19% in my Dragons and Angels fund. I put up the equity and we basically buy that successful baby boomer company. Also, remember to grab your free stock down below. Also, they got some incredible bonus offers that you got to check out down below. That stock is free. Anyways, let's dive right in and talk about and get your hands on that $50,000. Let's start by checking out one of my favorite now credit unions, and that is Dover Federal Credit Union. For starters, one thing that makes Dover Federal Credit Union stand out is that they're a local credit union. But that's okay. They don't have those pesky geographical restrictions that most credit unions do. But I'm going to tell you the cheat code, how you can get into them, because there's a way to do that. You could live in California, Texas, New York, or even Florida. It doesn't matter. Now here's how it works and how you get in. Even though Dover is local, you can still join through an affiliated nonprofit called Friends of Bombay Hook. That means whether you're a few miles away, 1,000 miles away, you're eligible because you become a member. Once you are and join the nonprofit, you're in, like Flynn. Do they still use that? Anyway, so right out of the gate, they are offering a sense of community for you, no matter where you are. And let's talk about how you get pre-qualified without taking a hit to your credit, which is the most important thing. You don't want to damage your credit only to find out that you're not getting the money. You don't even have to be a member yet to get pre-qualified and get a pre-qualified offer. Just click the check your rate button on the website. Fill in a few details and boom, you'll see what you qualify for without any hard pulls to your credit. And it takes minutes. Literally. Now, this process is for your personal credit card offers, and you're going to want to make sure that you fill out detailed accurately, because once you're approved, you're looking at some solid credit opportunities. If you're in the military or have connections into a uniformed service, those joining Dover can be even simpler for you. Family member who's already been a member, another plus, that counts too. And here's a little bonus. If you have anyone in your household that's already a member, you can bring them along, so to speak. Just bring them with you, or not really. But at any rate, Dover's eligibility requirements, they're flexible, and they'll find a way to get you in, and they want to welcome you into their circle, especially if it means giving you access to credit products that ultimately they make money on. Let's face it. Now let's talk about the personal loan and credit card offers. Dover has your typical unsecured personal loans, which means no collateral required, just your good word and credit history. They also offer something unique called shared secure loans. Now, this basically is a loan designed to help you build or rebuild your credit, and it could be really good for you. They report to your credit bureaus, so you're boosting your credit profile just by making a payment payment on time. It's an awesome way to jumpstart that repair of your credit if it's in the toilet right now, or you just want to get it up. It depends on what you want to do. On the business side, Dover offers several impressive credit offers as well. They have a couple of business credit cards, which is unusual for credit unions. This is awesome, which could be perfect for entrepreneurs or small business owners looking to build credit and make purchases without racking up crazy fees. One of these options is Advantage Business Credit Card with no annual fees and a balance transfer fee, and has a 25-day grace period for purchases, which is cool, right? Because you're not getting charged in the meantime. And here's the kicker. It's accepted by merchants and ATMs worldwide. So if you're traveling for business or doing online shopping for various vendors, the card is solid. There's cashback business cards that offer 2% cashback rate on all purchases. There are no annual fees, and this one is either 2%, it can really add up, especially if you're putting regular expenses on your card. Think of it like getting a 2% discount on everything. Now, here's what you'll need if you consider for one of these business cards. You'll fill out your business loan application and provide something called a personal financial statement, which is essentially a list of your personal assets, like your home or whatever you have, and then what you owe, which is called liabilities, what you have, that maybe you have a paid off car, and your liability, maybe you owe some credit card money. Whatever it is. You'll also need to submit your business and personal tax returns for the past 2 years. If you don't have these, no worries. If you're a startup, this could be a game changer because they'll help you as well. That asks for your business plan for your vehicle or equipment loans, and you'll need a purchase order from a dealership if you want to go that route. It's pretty standard in the credit world, so nothing too surprising here. Now, back to the personal credit card. If you're looking to see if you qualify for it, you can just hit the Check My Rate button on the website, fill out some basic information, your first and last name, phone number, email, social security number, and date of birth, and you'll also need to include your monthly rent and mortgage payment, gross annual income, and a few employment details. Now, once you've got everything entered, you can view your pre-qualification offer and hopefully see that $50,000 credit limit waiting for you. And here's a quick word of caution. This pre-qualification is based on your Experian credit profile. So make sure your Experian file is unfrozen, like unfreeze it. If it is, you won't have access to your profile, and that means no pre-qualification for you. They're going to use that information in your credit file to offer the initial amount. But remember, nothing's set in stone until you finish the process and actually finish the application. So if you're seeing a $50,000 limit, that's an offer, not a guarantee. You'll need to verify any information and provide proof of income so that you're claiming you make this amount of money. Can you prove it? Maybe where do you put it? The bank account under the mattress? Where is it? You got to show that documentation. They want to know you make money so that you can pay back the loan. Now let's recap, because I know there's a lot to take away here. Dover Federal Credit Union offers some great options to help people like you and get a hold of funds that you need. They're unique in the fact that they offer a soft pull pre-qualification on credit cards, which doesn't impact your credit score and is available before you even join. If you go ahead and take the offer, then you're automatically become a member of Dover. But you can join beforehand if you like. For joining, you got options. And if it's affiliated with the military, living near Delaware, or have family who's already a member, you're eligible. And if none of them apply to you, you can simply join that Friends of Bombay Hook nonprofit program and you're in. That way, you don't have to live in a particular area or work in a specific company to enjoy the benefits of Dover members. It's open for anybody willing to go through that nonprofit so that it's flexible without jumping through a ton of hoops or like moving just to get with the bank. On the personal side, I think Dover credit cards are a pretty strong option. The cash back of 2% on all purchases, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee if you've ever traveled, that's crazy. So if you're looking to make some quick returns on regular purchases, this card is right up your alley, and it's preferred because it has low interest options. Then the Advantage card is another one to consider. I don't see a personal line of credit that they offer, but Dover does have a strong selection of business products. They offer business loans, business lines of credit, and those 2 different business credit cards, which can give you a lot of freedom and flexibility if you're a business owner and you're not going to raise your credit limits on your personal side. That'll actually lower your score. You want to separate that. Now, just keep in mind, you'll need 2 years worth of personal and business tax returns for those business cards, as well as financial statements for anyone running a startup. You'll need a business plan, and you'll need to prepare to show your plan for the future. One last piece of advice here: Dover might request proof of income and will use Experian for your pre-qualification. So double check your Experian to make sure it's not locked or frozen. Grab your documentation, make sure you can verify your income. That's how you can avoid any hiccups in the process and help you and be able to run smoother. And if you're all set up and get the loan right away, don't forget to mention Andrew Cartwright sent you. Overall, Dover Credit Union has some fantastic offers. If you're looking for a way to unlock some serious funds, it's worth checking out. And with the soft pool to start, there's nothing to lose. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below. Check out our group, The Origin of Opportunity, where we're bringing people in to show them how to get access to capital, how to buy real estate, and how to buy businesses, as well as all the information to market and sell and structure companies, all in the platform. That's all accessible courses. It's pretty cool. Origin of Opportunity, check it out. Link is down below. My name's Andrew Cartwright. Love you.